Myra on. Oh wait, yeah, there's Titans.
Look, Ricky, the fact that you think you are a guy,
It's all good.
I just looked over at Mario like, yikes.
Mario's gonna like stab you in the face.
Thank God she's all the way over there.
Myra, you should slap Ricky in the face, make him look better.
I don't even think that would help.
Myra throwing it down.
Is that what they call it nowadays? Dance? Oh, I thought you guys were just moving around in the gym.
I'm sorry, what do you do? ASB? What does that stand for?
Associated Student Body.
More like ass. I'm not even gonna say it.
Yeah, exactly. You can't say it. What was that, Myra? Finish that sentence,
What do
please.
you guys do? Paint posters all day?
I'm sorry. I can't make posters. I'm artistically retarded. I know this.
Oh, you're just retarded.
Just artistic.
yeah, you can take out the artistic way.
It's on now, man. The roast has started.
Hey, how was your show?
Well, man, and then
Did you guys fill up more than one row?
Yeah. We actually did. And people were worried
get
to
your
see
film
that
on?
our show
Yeah,
tonight
thanks.
rallied.
Hey.
Actually, the show is amazing, Ricky.
it's funny because the fucking suck.
Hey, not all of us planned the rallies. Blame Anthony and Eileen. And Johnny.
You don't even take the blame for your own mistakes, can you?
Were you
Should I
bummed?
put Jerry Springer?
Were you bummed?
That'd be awesome.
Were you bummed
I'm
out?
here every
I
day.
know we can have the whole pack.
Who took it over there?
I should do it.
What if we did it?
Miss Hyro?
We could.
Has she been to a play?
I've never seen her in a play, to be completely honest.
So,
I don't know if she's just a yes man.
Wanna bet?
there's a couple.
Nah. You wanna hear a joke?
No, I
Yes.
don't.
Yes, your joke says it all.
Suck!
Your life.
Let's see if we
You already used that word. You can't tell them
That wasn't on camera. That wasn't on camera though.
I know, but hey, Ricky already said that joke.
He
So
was
explain.
you like
Ricky
I
sucks.
turned to the camera
feature
the
film
whole time.
named
No,
after.
man.
Alright, here we go.
Go ahead, Jake.
Alright, if you have anything to say, please raise your hand and put it over your mouth. Working with these people has made me happier than Michael Jackson at a Harry Potter book signing. Alevis, a teacher is a person who used to think he liked children. Since you are considerably older and started to poke fun at that. You know you're old when your friends compliment you on your new alligator shoes when you're barefoot. At your age, getting lucky means finding your car in a parking lot, and doing it 3 times a night is how many times you get up to pee.
4, actually.
4?
No, I'm joking. I don't get up to pee at night. TMI, no, go ahead.
John, the last thing I want to do is to hurt you, but it's still on the list. 100,000 sperm and you are the fastest. Go on, add some variety into your sex life. Use the other hand.
Jakester's on fire.
And then the ones I had for Laura was, you're not yourself today. I noticed the improvement right away. And then shut up, you'll never be the man your mother is.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Jakester.
Yours is, you are such a good friend. We were on a sinking ship together, and there was only one life jacket. I miss you a lot and think of you often. Also, you were the best looking girl here, and beauty is only a light switch away.
Oh, I won, Myra.
Chris just left, but I said Jesus loves you, but everyone else thinks you're an asshole, and I'll think I'll end it at that. Myra, where to start? Oh, one thing, I think it's Trenster. But since you got it right this last week, I think I'll cut you some slack. But some people might ask, if I getting smart menu, but how would you know?
Oh, Jakester.
And then Gabriel, yours was the Strawberry Fields one, but you're not Mexican, so I don't think that one would work.
Dang.
So,
Jake is on fire.
Well, yeah, you can see the redness in his
He's gonna get
face.
his ass beat once we get out.
Hey! Joke retaliation for the gay best friend who goes shoe shopping comment he had at the beginning of the year. That hurt pretty deep. I'm just kidding, you're a pleasure to work with and each and every week, and I think you have a very promising future ahead of you.
Absolutely.
Ricky you were only the music guy for a couple weeks. And I can say
Why
from the
are you
times,
here, Ricky?
and from the times you did not look
At
high.
least I can speak proper English.
I'm sorry you're not bilingual and don't have to deal with 2 languages.
Oh, that's
Exactly.
funny.
Myra, check.
Gay pianist that
I thought you said something else right now. He's a gay pianist.
No, he was a gay pianist. And,
Piano is?
Michael Douglas is playing.
Ah, damn.
He's very.
And you know who plays his boyfriend? Matt Damon.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't want to see that
the
movie.
world's worst joke right now, but I'm gonna
Ricky wants to see it.
I could not see Brokeback Mountain. I tried, man. I was like,
Are we
there's no way.
Senior
yeah.
class president.
Oh, that's it.
Ah, where's Laura? Never seen it.
Oh,
That is fun.
that was wrong.
Oh, dude.
Even Jake's not that messed up.
I wouldn't go that far.
Well, Jake's
but
glowing, so.
Look, I have a
Look,
lot of racist
Little
jokes.
starfish Patrick from SpongeBob.
Oh,
Oh.
he's not that tall.
Close your mouth.
the
I
face
want
you're
All right, are you ready?
That's his usual face.
Myra, I think you got 299 views on this.
Yay! Is there any comments?
Hey, Jonathan, was this ours?
Yeah.
You guys suck.
Which one was it?
Chetos!
I don't suck.
Aiutan di camera vicino, perché sì,
My hair was so
Questo
You guys suck.
This was a fun day.
100,000 sperm, you were the fastest.
I was gonna say for you that egg one, but
What egg one?
I could tell the egg popped back because it shows in your face.
That is so weird.
That was a good one.
It's a good one.